How to add real-time preview effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. Make sure you have the clip selected that you want to add effects to. Next, open the effects library on the top left side and choose the effect you want to apply. You can drag and drop the effect directly onto your clip in the timeline. After that, to enable real-time preview, click on the clip in the timeline and open the inspector panel on the top right. Here you can adjust all the parameters of the effect while watching the changes happen instantly in the preview window. If the playback is lagging or not showing the effects smoothly, you can lower the playback resolution by going to the playback menu at the top and selecting a lower timeline resolution. This helps DaVinci Resolve process effects in real time without dropping frames. Another important tip is to use the render catch feature. Go to playback, then render catch and set it to smarter user. This will pre-render parts of your timeline with effects, allowing a smoother playback and real-time preview of more complex effects. Finally, don't forget that using proxies or optimized media can also greatly improve your ability to preview effects in real time. You can generate this by right-clicking your clips and choosing Generate Optimized Media, which makes heavy effects easier to handle during editing. And that's it. Now you know how to add real-time preview effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.